Let's create another list. This time, we will list our favorite programming languages using an ordered list. First, let's add a new section with a Level 2 heading. H2 Favorite Programming Languages. To create an ordered list, we use the OL tag, which stands for Ordered List. Then, just like before, we add list items using li tag. So li, C#, and then JavaScript and Python. And there you have it, our programming languages listed in order. By default, ordered lists use numbers, but we can customize this using the list style type property. So OL list style type. Some options include lower alpha, upper Roman letters, or decimal. We can also create nested or embedded lists by adding another list inside a list item. So OL. And then let's add two items, TypeScript and Vanilla.js. And let's use inline style for different marker. So style, list style type, lower alpha. Now, TypeScript and Vanilla.js are subcategories of JavaScript inside the list. As you can see, this style still applies to our list. But what if we only want to style the markers of a specific list? We can do that by targeting it with an ID. So let's add an ID language list, and then ID selector language list, li marker color tomato. Now only the markers for this specific list will be colored tomato red. We just used a new CSS technique, the descendant combinator. Combinators define relationships between selectors. In our case, we want to style list item elements inside language list. This means select all list item elements inside language list and change their markers to red. Another CSS combinator is the child combinator. The child combinator affects only direct children of the language list. The nested list items, TypeScript and Vanilla.js will not be styled with tomato red now. To sum it up, use OL for an ordered list. Use LI to define list items. Use CSS combinators to describe relationships between elements. The descendant combinator to style all nested elements, or child combinator to style only direct children.